is a damn pride. You met your hoe is inside. But if this street break, watch me slide.
Oh, goodness.
It's guaranteed death.
Watch me fly. Don't give a shit, you'll put them on my side. Roll it off cars, oh bitch, or you'll end up in the ditch.
Hell yeah. Picked up another perfectly good free car. You can get out.
It's comfy.
We'll do a burnout.
I don't know.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
There goes the motor.
I got it. Don't worry. Something happened here.
Lit. Since the car smokes so much, it stacks on this.
How's your inheritance? Jordan's picking up grandma's shit. And there's that.
Oh, that was so fast. Stay right there.
Looks like meth. They call this Heisenberg. It's probably Viagra.
Got no tip on it. Hey, why is it blinding me?
I'm a welder. I don't need no shelter. You see my wife, you know I bounce her. I weld these fast stacks for this neon on the track. My name is Hickman. I grew up in the sticks. You see these fucking dots? You think I'm in zone 6? Camp around me, I'll take your watch.
What the dog doing?
Your neighbors must love you.
Something to bite, dude. Oh, never mind. I'm just picking on you. Martin thinks it's funny all fucking day long. I'm telling you right now, I'm not the motherfucking one.
We put like oil additives and I don't, a little bit of bleach.
Oh, a little bit of bleach.
A little bit of bleach. Something's wrong with it.
Yeah. When I see something about stuff, you're about to find out.
Well, that was the neighbor.
There you go.
Yeah, are you gonna fix it now?
Now it's erasing.
Oh, goodness.
You like it?
I like that, but my goodness.
Oh yeah, I fell.
Oh, this felt so Goku style. Man, I don't even know people knew about that around here. I tell my buddy, I'm like, it's a thing, man. It's a big thing. Let me get some smoke.
Let's get some smoke.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
America.
Hold on.
Badass. The moment.
Yeah, wait, what the?
Smells like horsepower.
It's guaranteed death. So.
Red dot jeans are burning big. Smoke takes over the car of me. But he steps to me, gonna get his ass beat. He met him with the flames, cause I'm playing the heat. My car blow up when I grab the streets. It doesn't bother my sisters, but it's me. Fuck my sister, I never miss her. I drive a Dodge, don't call me Esther. Baby mama, you better hit her. Dodge neon is a clear tickler, yeah, yeah. Dodge neon is a pimp ride. You bet your hoe is inside. Watch me slide. Looking so fly, you better from West Side. Jump this bitch, watch me fly. Don't give a shit, your grandma outside. One of those fuzz, oh bitch, or you'll end up in the ditch. I'm sorry, your son is a whiny little pig. Now shut your mouth, watch me drift. These steady little blinders make me sick. But as you can see, I don't give a shit.
Dude, the exhaust is coming
You see
off.
this neon? You know I'm free on. The mama sheets on, I'm peed on. All the way on time is what I'm gonna be on.
What is that?
The reason I'm out here is people got called. They thought you guys might be trying to dump this.
Are you subscribed?
No, what is it? There you go.
Awesome.
I'll check it out.
Wait, that's evidence. Oh no. You calling?
William Mary. William Mary. William Mary.
Now it's running like shit, like bad. Oh, hey, limiter. It doesn't. We gotta rip the center console out in order to put the tank in for the air horn. Anybody want to buy a center console? Yeah.
I think Jordan's got the best flame out here.
Oh, that's straight fire.
That's when you need that stupid ass bug skirt on the front there. Blends in with the black
Yes.
thing. You get some eyelashes. This is the new whipper.
Bruh.
We're gonna find out if you put a smoke bomb in the intake, if it's gonna come out the exhaust a different color or not.
See if it goes from the regular white smoke to the yellow
Yeah, it already smokes so much. What a dick. Let's try red. You want to try red?
Yep.
All right, I'll go grab a red. You want to come with? Does it look big?
Seen a lot bigger in prison.
Oh yeah, I need you to sign this too.
What the hell is that? What? Oh,
I don't want nobody getting hurt.
the American thing to do is to blindly sign it.
This is like me and your mom, dude.
Oh, yeah, it's burning.
It worked before, all right?
Fire! Oh, shit!
Stuck. The throttle's stuck.
Yeah, it's completely coated.
Oh man. Oh jeez, dude, that's nasty. Entire steering is barely working. That's we haven't done anything, dude.
Nothing. This car's in perfect condition.
Oh, the motor mount. That fucking motor mount's gone.
Holy.
The pulley is rubbing on the mount itself. So what are we doing?
Not starting it again until you're ready for it not to run anymore.
You think?
Yeah, look at that belt. Look at the,
I think it'll
look
go
at the motor
away.
mount.
I think it'll go away. That's
Not-
not a timing belt, so we're good.
You're gonna overheat it then.
You want to buy a car?
Nobody wants this hunk of shit.
It's supposed to be flexible paint. When we get in a wreck, it can adhere. Most cars, you know, when they wreck, the paint chips off. They don't have vinyl paint. We want to be able to wreck and still look good, all right? Dude, now I really want to drive it to town.
Hey, I really think we should spray some brake clean down on that valve and at least clean it and get it back to idle.
Yeah.
Not like 6,000 RPM idle either.
It's at like 4.
What's that red line at?
4. 6.5. This is how long my dick is driving this thing. Woo! Whoever gets done first.
3, 2, 1, go.
You want a free trip to Bruno Mars?
Oh. Me. You guys are blowing my brain.
Ooh, let's go shoot the car with paintball, or marble.
You can try. I think it'll blow seals, but give it a whack.
I don't give a shit. I'm a YouTuber. I have millions of dollars.
I mean, like, no actual cash. Like, I got good credit, though.
Yeah. Talking about my gun already being broke. Car? Hit the car. Ready? Damn. Tight puss. I mean, tight. Oh! I'm so sorry.
At least it wasn't a marble.
Yeah, exactly.
Shooting marbles with the boys, just playing with our toys. Don't look, mom, I'm hanging with the boys, just playing Call of Duty. My boys are hella fruity. I'm gonna get far, we're gonna build a scar. We all got that one that takes it far. Come on, man, you know who you are. You know it.
I'm Jiffy Jim Bob, and this is Ground Bloom Paintball Gun.
Come at me weird, he tried to touch my scar. I told him, bro, that's my busty little hole. Whoa, damn chill, now you touch my little hole. But at least I don't need to beat me when my boys are down the street.
Drop 2 in that once.
I don't even make a beat when my grandma's next to me. Oh, dear,
That did not work.
clean your shit.
This is anticlimactic. The marbles aren't even going in there. Well, if it didn't have these stupid kid windows on the back that stick up like this, if I wanted my kid jumped out the window, I wouldn't buy this car. Ready to go? Let's go, Daddy. Hey, school's about to start, all right?